Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sarosh and I'm a foundation level student at Rehan School Life at Campus Islamabad, and today I am doing my TEDx talk review, and my topic is Tech Girls Bravery Not Perfection by Reshma Sujni. This TEDx talk delivers a powerful message about confidence, courage, and the way society often teaches girls to approach challenges. Reshma explains that from an early age, many girls are encouraged to avoid mistakes, follow rules, and strive for perfection. While these qualities may seem positive, they can also create a fear of failure that prevents people from taking risks and pursuing their biggest dream. One of the most important messages from this TEDx talk is that growth does not come from being perfect; it comes from being brave. Every successful entrepreneur, scientist, artist, or a leader has made mistake along the way. Failure is not a sign that we should stop; it's evidence that we are learning and growing. Reshma shares her own experience of facing rejecting and set setbacks instead of following failure to define her. She used those experiences to become stronger and more determined. Her story reminds us that courage is built by trying, learning, and trying again, not by getting every day right the time first. Another lesson I learned from this TEDx talk is that confidence grows through action. Many people wait until they feel completely ready before chasing their goals, but the truth is that no one feels ever feel perfectly prepared. Confidence develops when we step outside our comfort zone and take action despite our fear. Another important point Reshma make is that this message is not only valuable for girls. While her talk focuses on how girls are often raised, the lesson about bravery applies to everyone. Boys and girls alike benefit from learning to embrace challenges, take healthy risks, and see failure as part of learning process. Before I conclude, I want to leave you with one final quote. Don't let the fear of failure stop you from chasing your dream. Be willing to make mistakes, learn from them, and keep moving forward. Every setback is preparing you for something greater. Remember, perfection is impossible, but courage is a choice you can make every single day. When you choose bravery over fear, you discover your discovery strengths you never knew you had. So, well, this is my TEDx talk review. Hope so you like it. Meet you in the next video. Pakistan Zindabad. Khuda Hafiz.